FARMRAIN, customize the most suitable sprayer for your needs.
Electric&Manual is mainly equipped with a water pump bottle cutoff and a battery lithium battery or lead-acid battery at the bottom. FARMRAIN offers OEM and ODM knapsack sprayers that can be customized according to your specific needs. To get started, please let us know your desired tank capacity 15-20 Design preference are for yours and preferred color. You can then specify your pump, battery, nozzle, shoulder straps, lens, charger, and any other details as per your requirement. Once confirmed, we will proceed with the production process and ensure strict quality control measures are in place. Our team will also handle the delivery and provide after-sales services, including customer feedback and improvement. Don't forget to confirm your logo and packaging design with us too. FARMRAIN specializes in producing knapsack sprayers and is an excellent OEM/ODM partner.